In a standard workflow, an AI assistant is isolated from your video editor. Palmier Pro changes this by allowing an agent to reach across the desktop to directly manipulate your timeline. This local desktop application serves as the point of integration for that direct AI control. Because the app processes tasks locally, it requires an Apple Silicon Mac. This includes the M1, M2, M3, and M4 architectures. Intel-based Macs are not supported. Your system must also be running macOS 26 Tahoe or a more recent version to maintain compatibility. Meeting these requirements gives you access to the editor, local exports, and MCP agent control for free without needing to create an account. By utilizing your own hardware for these core operations, you can maintain a high-end editing environment without recurring cloud subscription fees. The installation begins on the web. Navigate to palmier.io or the project's GitHub repository to download the latest release of the software. Once the download finishes, drag the Palmier Pro application icon into your Mac OS Applications folder. When you first open the app, you can bypass the login screen unless you plan to use paid credits for AI video and image generation. To initialize the workstation, you must either import footage into the media library or start a new project immediately. This first import is necessary to transition the app into an active editing session. While the app is open, it runs a background service linking your different desktop tools together. This is the local MCP server. It runs on port 19789, acting as the communication layer your AI assistant uses to talk to the timeline. It remains active only while a project is loaded. If you close the timeline, the connection shuts down immediately. If you stay on the main launch screen without an active project, your AI agent will be unable to see the editor. This setup ensures the software won't consume system resources when you aren't actively editing a video. In this architecture, the presence of an open project file serves as the power switch for all AI integrations. With the editor open, you can now link it to your AI assistant. In the Palmier Pro menu bar, navigate to Help and select MCP Instructions. If you use Claude Desktop, click the one-click installer in the instructions to add the server automatically. Restart the Claude Desktop application if the installer prompts you to do so, finalizing the link. You will find similar direct installation paths in this same menu for Cursor, as well as for Codex and for Claude Code. Once configured, these steps form a permanent connection between your AI agent and the Palmier Pro environment. Now we can verify that the two applications are communicating correctly. In your AI assistant's chat window, type the command, "Look at my timeline" in Palmier Pro. The agent should respond by providing a detailed list of the clips and edits currently on your screen. If the agent cannot find the server, ensure that a project is actually open in Palmier Pro. The connection will stay inactive if the editor is empty. When your edit is finished, you can export your work in several formats. This includes MP4 files in H.264, H.265, or ProRes, as well as NLE XML files. This allows you to start your edit with AI assistance and then move the project into professional finishing tools like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve for final delivery.